What's up everybody, welcome to the Side Hustler channel. This is a brand new channel which we created specifically to teach our aspiring internet entrepreneurs a few things we learned, as well as learning and trying a few things ourselves. This video is part 1 of this series. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to ensure you see all the videos in the series. For this series, we opted to go with the meditation and motivation niche. Right, let's get on with it. First, we create a new channel under our existing Google or YouTube account. You can create a brand new Gmail account if you wish to, but for the sake of this video, we will simply add a brand account with its own channel. Click on the account icon and click Settings. Then click on Add or Manage Channels. We have blurred out this page because, well, as much as we are for transparency, we are working on a few other channels right now as well, and they are not quite ready for you yet. Let's add the name and click Create. We have named our channel Mindful Motivation since we are targeting the meditation niche. Congratulations, you have established a brand new channel. You will be surprised at how many people are not yet familiar with the simplicity of this step. In this video, you will see the results of a few Chrome plugins: Social Blade, vidIQ, and WeBooster. We are still on the wire about WeBooster. We feel it is only cheating yourself. It was suggested to us on a Facebook group to help boost video views and likes. We have given it a try on a channel video specifically for testing it, and although it gets views and likes, they leave a very specific footprint pattern, and is likely to get your account in trouble, and we personally don't think it is worth the risk. We have since recording this video removed it. Now that you have your channel, let's go to YouTube Studio, and start setting up your defaults and channel art. Once in YouTube Studio, click on Settings. Under the General tab, we will leave the currency as USD. Under the Channel tab, there are 3 more tabs along the top. Under Basic Info, we add our country of residence. This is important because if you don't select a country, YouTube will automatically block you from monetization of this channel. Since we are in Australia, this is what we will select. Next is the keywords. We have pre-collected a bunch of keywords related to mindful motivation meditation. We used vidIQ and searched YouTube for similar videos, and copied the tags vidIQ identified in the resulting videos. It's that simple. Under the Advanced Settings tab, you can use your own discretion relating to the captions. We prefer not to show inappropriate words. We also prefer to default the channel to not be for kids. Under the Feature Eligibility screen, complete the phone verification to ensure all features are enabled. Back to the main tabs. Under Upload Defaults, we added the same keywords as previously added. As you can see, we have them saved in a document on Google Drive, as well as a description for the channel. As you can see, we overdid it a bit, and have to remove some of the tags as 500 characters are the maximum. So we have to delete a few. Next, we select English as our default language. That's about it. Click Save and let's get on with it. Back in the main YouTube Studio screen, a few lines above the settings, we find the customization option. You will not see all the vidIQ options as in this video if you don't have the plugin installed. You can also see under the monetization option that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours before the channel can be monetized. I have heard of organic channels getting monetized in 30 days. We will see how quickly we can get our channel monetized and do a video on that sometime in the future. Okay, let us deal with the customization. Under layout, we are just going to leave it as is for now. Under branding, we have to upload a logo, as well as some channel art. The channel art needs to meet some specifications in order to match all three the display options. Not to worry, we will go over to Canva and put something awesome together. Go to Canva and create a free account if you don't have one yet. Click on the Create a Design button and type in 800 by 800 pixels. This is a perfect size for a logo. This same logo we are going to use in all our social media. Click on Elements on the right and search for a circle, and add the circle to your canvas, and stretch it to the full size of the canvas, and decide on a color scheme. Next, add text, and type your channel name. Adding the text in 2 colors gives a good contrast and makes the logo easier to read. You can add a shadow as well. Now search the elements for clip art fitting your channel. In our case we found a free image of meditation, under the search term yoga. Download your logo. Now for channel art. Click on Create a Design again, and search YouTube. This will create a channel art sized canvas. Under templates, you can pick any template, but we have found the free Red Fitness template fits the needs perfectly, as it caters for all three the viewable states provided by YouTube. After selecting the template, let's make it fit the color scheme. As a final touch, we replace the background with a yoga-related background. How perfect is that? And let's replace the text with our channel name. We will also add the clip art image on both sides of the name, as well as add a catchy phrase. Download your new work of art, and let's get back to YouTube. Upload the logo. See how perfect that fits into the logo circle, the outline is spot on. Well done. Now for the channel art. As you can see, once you have uploaded it, YouTube shows you the borders of the 3 different viewing types. This design works perfectly, as you can see. Now the last upload is for a watermark. YouTube will add a subscribe option to the watermark in your video. You can either use your new logo, or as we have done, we use a subscribe button image. We like to set the display time to anything from 15 seconds to 1 minute. Now we move from branding to basic info, which is where we will be adding a channel description, as well as channel links. As we mentioned previously, we already pre-captured text for a description. We now go copy and paste it into the channel description. At this point, you may notice the default channel icon logo color has changed. Sure, rewind and go check. This is because our first recorded video failed, and we had to re-record this scene. Nonetheless, here we are finishing up the basic info page. Once we have captured the description, we can also capture the email address. One of the advantages we have is that we own a heap of domains, and with each domain, you have the ability to set up a catch-all email filter which allows one full freedom to use any email address at that domain. Hence in this case we used one of our domains. You will see there is a part to add links to the channel. This we will discuss in the next video in the series. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. Click the Publish button. That is it. You have a perfect brand new YouTube channel. Well done. Wow, we have reached the end of this video. Please leave a comment on this video and tell us what you think. If you feel that we may have missed something, please let us know, so we can add it to a future video. And finally, please subscribe to this channel so you can watch the rest of the videos in this series. Catch you in the next video.